Hi everybody, welcome back. Got a real quick workbench update for you. So the next car model I'm going to be working on is this Revell 68 Dodge Dart. It is a 2-in-1. Oops, make sure I don't knock something over. So it comes with the two Hemi versions. It's got the, what is it, the I can't remember what it is now. 440 Magnum engine in it, and the 442, I believe. No, 426 Hemi. So 440 Magnum and 426. So this should be a fun build. Just real quick, I'm going to kind of show you the pieces and stuff. All your chrome. I am leaning towards doing the 440 on this, just because, I don't know, I feel like it. I'm going to try something new with the body. There's a couple of painting techniques that I want to try, so we'll see how that turns out. I got in some stencils, airbrush stencils, so I'm going to try something on the body itself. So obviously there's a couple of cars in here, a couple of different ways to make it, so there's a lot of extra pieces. It should be a pretty decent build, I think. So far I've had no issues with building Revell kits, so it should go okay. So just real quick, look-see, there's the body. Yeah, I have a couple of ideas. I bought some new airbrush stencils, so I'm going to try something on this, just make it look a little flashy. We'll see what happens. There's the other interior tub, depending on which version you're doing. Tires. And then they also have some slicks if you want to do the dragster version of this. Somebody have a good way of filing these down so you don't file the tire flat, you know, just so you can keep it round. So anybody got any ideas on how to do that? Get rid of these nubs and stuff, but make it you know, not flat in one area, right? So that it just keeps its round shape. Anybody's got something on that? There are some, obviously, a bunch of decals and stuff like that with this, which I left in the other box. And I'm probably not going to use any of these, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So there's that. And I also have one other thing I'm going to show you. I am going to pause this video real quick and switch some things out. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. That didn't take too long. So the next bust I'm going to be doing is from Bold Miniatures. And this one, I got this from a Kickstarter they did, which was called the Best Friend Collection. And it came with 3 female busts. And the one I'm going to do is called, I'm going to probably mispronounce this, but it's Waiata. W-A-I-A-T-A. But essentially, a little fantasy figure. If I can get her head on here the right way. So the bust itself has got a little cat friend on there. That's her. They got some really, really nice detail. You can see she's definitely a fantasy figure. She's got horn there. Okay. A little bit of a scabbard or something in the back there. So it's a really nice sculpt. And I got this, I don't know, I've had it for maybe a year or two now, I think. But it also comes with, so she's playing a guitar. Really, really nice detail on that. One of our arms. Some nice fine detail on the fingers and even on the wrap. I mean, there's some really nice detail on the wrap. There's our other arm. And then, oops, try not to lose the pieces here. The horns that go on her head, little ram's horns, I guess. Nice. And then these are the guitar straps for her. That'd be fun to paint those up with a little bit of leather. Make them look a little worn, a little used. Close up of her face. I like that. One eye's open, one eye's closed. Gives a little definition to it. It should be really fun. Nice definition in the ear. Lots of nice braids in here for the hair and stuff like that. This will be fun to paint. So that's it. That's what I've got. Real quick workbench update. Couple of projects on the table. I hope everybody is doing well. Things here have been a little chaotic, but I wanted to thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel recently. I've picked up a few. I think I'm up over 560 subs now, so thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. And I have been keeping up with everybody's videos. Like I said in my last one, things have just been chaotic, so I haven't really been able to comment or anything like that on some of them, just because of the way life has been playing out lately. But I am watching. Everybody is doing fantastic work. So everybody, please stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on modeling. And I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you all have a wonderful week that's coming up. And I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye.